So, with regard to the witnesses, sir, how many do you have at least now na inyong planong ilabas?
At the moment po, may binanggit na po si Lead Prosecutor Jervel Luisto na around 25 yung pong tinitignan na witness list. But as far as yung unexplained wealth article which I lead, maybe around 5 to 7 po yung witnesses that we are considering
Okay.
for that particular article.
And yung witnesses ho ba, do they need to be already, do you need to be transparent with them, with the defense, during the pretrial conference, sir? I mean, I guess my question is, lahat ho ba ng mga testigo or witnesses ng prosecution ay kailangan malaman ng depensa?
Tama po yun. Binabanggitin naman ho yun at the level of the pretrial. And sa totoo lang, for the public to know, wala naman din po masyadong bago doon po sa listahan po ng mga witnesses po namin dahil nakita na ho nila yan sa House Justice Proceedings. Yung malamang naman pong maidadagdag na lang naman po rito ay yung pong mga bank officers kasi magbubukas po kami ng bank accounts
Yeah.
nung pong mag-asawang Duterte Carpio.